chubby poo man.
Yes, he is.
He's a what?
He's the Poo Man.
He's a fat chubby poo man.
He's a fat chubby Poo
I thought we were
Man.
supposed to be listening for a strange
Yes, we
noise,
are, we are.
not calling me
We
Fat
are.
Chubby Poo Man.
We are. So there's a creepy noise that keeps getting heard in the bedroom
My phone's
from
never.
the door.
My friend's
Um,
never heard it before, but I've heard it twice and my dad only heard it once.
Yeah.
My dad is the cameraman.
I am dead. We have just started this YouTube channel and Larissa has died.
No, yeah, I'm scared.
I'm not that scared.
So why are you scared?
No answer.
Because the noise that we're hearing, I think it's creepy because we only hear it at day and it's coming from the door.
Recording. Girl. So, right, start your sentence.
I'm scared of this video because because it's about the door. It's about the door. It's because it's the door and we hear like a tapping noise. Me and my dad. And
it's like
That's me and my dad. And
it's
we are
like
fighting.
this. I've not heard it, but Ailey says it's like that, so I'm gonna believe her.
I also heard it this morning with Simon.
And that's our cat.
Yeah.
Just if you want to know. Well, maybe put a picture of Simon at the end of this video. Just so you know. Yeah.
We have a dog and Muddy and we elephant. That's what we like.
No, it's called a dog called Murray.
Yeah.
If you can't understand alien language. She has got weird language.
No,
if you
we
want to know.
haven't.
Yes, she has. So, we're just chilling in the room now. I think we're just gonna be. Oh, I almost filmed. I think we're just gonna be quiet for a couple minutes, and we'll check in once if there's actually.
Oh, I think there's an airplane going up.
So I'll tell you, and we'll check in a little bit if we hear that tonight. Here's the door, just if you want to know.
And you still not heard a thing.
Absolutely nothing has been heard
Yeah.
from the door.
I just creeped out, so I just came downstairs.
And this is our dog, if yes, you want to know.
Yeah, come on. Let's
This is Murray. And here is our cat, Simon. So we're thinking we hear the noise from the door. And Ailey's scared. So we're just gonna listen. See, we just heard it there. Ailey's really scared of it. See, there